How does UK tax work? If you are a tax resident in the UK, you are liable to pay income tax on any income in the UK or overseas. The different type of income tax statutes are: employment income, pension income, social security income, property income. The government uses tax money to invest into healthcare, education, state pensions. There is an annual budget proposal, which is presented by the Chancellor of the Exchequer. These proposals are presented to the UK Parliament. Unless any objections are raised, these become an Act of Parliament, also known as a statute. HMRC issue many statements. These explain how the statutes are implemented in practice. All pay employees in the UK are subjected to Class 1 national insurance. Class 1 NI is worked out as follows: £9,564 exempt, £9,564 to £50,268 12%, £50,268 plus 2%. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest tax updates.